Hello there, welcome to the October 2020 paper. Here we're looking at question 6. Find the first 4 terms in ascending powers of x in the binomial expansion 1 plus kx to the power of 10, where k is a non-zero constant. Write each coefficient as simply as possible. So first of all, let's recall what we get in the formula booklet. We get a plus b to the power of n equals a to the power of n plus n choose 1, a to the n minus 1, b to the 1, plus n choose 2, a to the n minus 2, b to the 2. And what you can see happening here is the power on the a is decreasing by 1 each time, the power on the b is increasing by 1 each time, and the choosing from n is going to increase by 1 each time as well. We've got 4 terms here, so we'll go one further. N choose 3, a n minus 3, b 3. So what we'll now do is we'll plug in a equals 1, b equals kx, and n equals 10. So it's going to be 1 to the power of 10 plus 10 choose 1, 1 to the power of 9, that's just going to be 1 times by kx. Then it's going to be 10 choose 2, 1 to the power of 8, that's just going to be 1 times by kx squared, plus 10 choose 3, 1 to the power of 7, that's just going to be 1, and then it's going to be kx to the power of 3. Now remember, the k and the x are going to be squared or cubed in this expression here, so it's going to be 1 plus, let's grab the calculator, 10 choose 1, and that's 10, so it's going to be 10kx plus 10 choose 2, 45, k squared x squared, because you square the k and the x, plus now 10 choose 3 is going to be 120. 120 k cubed x cubed. So there we are, that's the final answer for part A. Let's now move on to B. Given that the expansion of 1 plus kx to the power of 10, the coefficient of x cubed is 3 times the coefficient of x, calculate the possible values of k. So the coefficient of x cubed is 3 times the coefficient of x, so I need to triple the x coefficient, 10k, to give me the coefficient of x cubed, 120k cubed. Let's expand the brackets on the left. 30k equals 120k cubed. Divide by 30 and we'll get k equals 4k cubed. Now, given that k is a non-zero constant, I can divide by k here. It's going to be 4k squared. The only time you're allowed to divide by a letter is when you know that that letter is not 0. And I know that that number's not 0 here, so I can divide by it. 1 divided by 4 is equal to k squared. So I divide by 4 onto the other side and square root. So it's going to be plus or minus half equals k, if I square root from this line to this line. And there we are, that's the answer for question 6 there, worth 6 marks in total. Let's now move on to question 7.